Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the use of custom queries module. The first you have to do is to open custom queries in this link. A pop-up window will appear, and then in this box you can write any queries you want. For example, I have some queries here. The first query I am gonna do is count the amount of opportunities in this table. I have 50 opportunities in the CRM, uh, but it will be more interesting to count only the open opportunities. So we have the second query, and another more advanced example will be to count the opportunities by sale stage. So we are going to run this third query. Okay, I have the count of opportunities by each sale stage. The next example will be pretty similar, but in this example I want to order the opportunities sales stage in the same way you have the opportunities in the CRM. Okay, the first stage is prospecting, qualification, need analysis, etc. And the last example is to add a new column, and this new column is the amount of the opportunities, because the most important in the business is not the amount, the count of opportunities, but the sum of the amount. So in this example I have this new column, um, where you can see the sum of the amount of the opportunities. uh, if you know the CRM, you remember that there is another column for amount in US dollars. But if I don't remember exactly the name, for example, if I think this is the name and I'm wrong, I will get error message like this. But I can see all the columns of this table opportunities with this query, and I can see the core name is US dollar without an is at the end. So I will copy this query again, and in this part I see the name of the column is this. So now I have the sum of this new column amount US dollars, and not the column amount. Well, I hope this video will be useful for you, and you can see how to use this module, custom queries module. This module was developed by us, and you can find the code and the package download of the module in our GitHub website. This is github.com/audoxcl, and you can find more examples of logic hooks, schedulers, entry points, etc. And in this case, here you have all the code, so you can improve this module. And in this part, in release section, you can download the last version. Okay, in this part, customqueries.zip, and here you have the module, so you can install in your own CRM. And once you install the module in your CRM, you will see the custom queries link in this menu, but only for administrators, because this module is a little dangerous for common users. This module is only for administrators, so only administrators will see this link in the menu. Okay, guys, any question you have, you can write us to our email info@audox.cl. This is our email, and this is our website. In this moment is only in Spanish, but you can shoot me an email to info@audox.cl, and my name is Javier Núñez. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.